Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a ComfortBilt brand pellet stove and it's not working right for any variety of reasons and you're trying to diagnose why that's happening. The ComfortBilt stove has a very powerful tool that it provides for you, which is this diagnostics screen. And to access this diagnostics screen, all you need to do is press and hold the enter button, and it will open you that set data menu that you may be familiar with. And if you scroll down to option 6, there's this diagnostic screen. And basically what this diagnostic screen is it senses whether all of these different components are working properly. And you'll see in this image, some of them there's a black dot next to it, and some of it there's an open circle next to it. Well, if you open yours, anything that there's a black dot next to it, it means that the sensors sense that it is working properly. And if there's an open circle, it means that it senses an issue with it. And so just to go through real quickly, the fire is obviously if the fire ignition is working properly, the exhaust is if the exhaust is working properly. The limit is actually if the hopper lid is closed properly. The blower is if the blower is working properly. The feeding is if the pellets are being fed properly. Vacuum is if it's getting proper air suction. And then you have the two NTC1s and NTC2s. So these are the two temperature controllers. So the temperature controller 1 is the internal one, which basically senses is there a fire when there's supposed to be a fire. And then the outside one is basically your thermostat, more or less. So anyways, hope this video helps you figure out whatever problems you might be having with your stove. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.